Equal Pay is one of our favorite games to practice counting out different amounts of money using dollars and cents. The goal of the game is to match up equal amounts of money from the right side panels, then count out that same amount using the dollar and cent selections on the left side bar. When you begin, focus on the panels on the right side of the playing board. These panels show different amounts of money in word and number formats. Read the panels from top to bottom and look for the two that are equal values. For example, the third panel shows the number 190 cents, and the panel below it reads $1.90. These two panels are equal to each other because we know that 100 cents equals $1, and adding 90 more cents equals $1.90. Click on both of these panels to check if we are correct. Since the text turned green, the panels match up and we move on to the next step of counting out this amount using coins and bills. $1.90, also known as 190 cents, can be counted out in many different ways. If you want to earn bonus stickers, try to count this out using the least number of coins and bills possible. In this case, using $1 bill, one 50-cent piece, 1 quarter, 1 dime, and 1 nickel is the simplest way to make $1.90 or 190 cents. When you are confident with your answer, click the purple Enter button at the bottom and watch the computer check your answer. If you make an incorrect selection, the meter will decrease by 1/2 mark. You may only use up to 12 bills and 10 coins to count out a number, so be mindful of how many you use. As you advance in games and rounds, things get a bit more challenging. The amounts you will have to count out will increase, and the increments between each number will get larger as well. No matter how high the numbers get, always remember to focus on matching equal values on the right panel and then counting out the value using the least number of coins and bills possible. If you find you've made a mistake, click the Clear Bills or Clear Coins buttons at any time to switch up your answer before submitting. Continue to play the games until you complete all 4 rounds and earn the maximum number of stickers. We hope you have fun playing Equal Pay. If you get stuck or want to find out the number of stickers you can earn, click the directions button below the game. Good luck!